if you would only say you care. Though my pocket may be empty, I'd give me there. My clothes may still be torn and tattered, but in my heart I'd be a king. Love is all that ever matters. It's everything to open up your arms and open the door. Every treasure that I'm hoping for. Hold me and kiss me and tell me you're mine. I'll forever be a beggar whose golden dreams will not come true. Or will I go from rag to riches? Fight is up to you. Da ba 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 ba. Ba 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 must I forever be a beggar whose golden dreams will not come true? Or will I go from rag to riches? My fate is up to you. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers with you with a rather unusual song. This is a bit of a challenge. It's a really old song, 1953. It was 2 years after I was born. Rag to Riches from Tony Bennett. Okay, a classic song of those that period, with lots of orchestration, big band and all the rest of it. So this is a very simple transposition to a single acoustic guitar. Okay, but it's got most of the bits in it, so to speak, you know. So hopefully when you've stopped laughing, come back in a couple of days' time and hopefully I might have a lesson on it. Please excuse the singing. Sorry to all you Tony Bennett fans out there. You know, that's just reference only. Bye for now.